I saw your picture at the booth, and there's a uniformed man here waiting for you. And you smashed your camera on the wall for the fear and alcohol, and I was willing to take the fall. But you won't see me float, and you know I'll be sinking in. And you won't catch me running, try and catch me jumping.
Hey, let's try that again. Come on, baby. Oh, you know what? It worked that time. You know what? Lots of times it doesn't work. And I've been wanting to make a video about this. And I didn't think it was going to open this time. But I'm going to look up here, right where the garage door motor is. And see those two little blue screws there? I think I can adjust it right there. I was talking to a garage door installer, and that makes the tension on the garage door a little less or a little more. He said try that first. Then if that didn't work, let's see what else he told me. He said to make sure that it's running make sure it's running loose, and there's a little rope up here. Remember your rope right here. You could pop that, you could pull that off like that. You just pull down on it. Then you can open up the door by itself. Okay? I just opened the door by itself. And he said, look at that, and it should stop wherever you leave it. Well, I'm kind of checking this out right now. See right there it goes down by itself. Like he said open it and it should stay. Okay, well I'll have to, I think that's rolling okay. Hang on to it this time. And then this thing here, I can just grab this and pull on it like that, and that locks it back into place. But he said you could try spraying this just with, I asked him, I think he said a lube spray, and I said, what about silicone spray? Yes, you could try that, but not WD-40. Okay? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try this again, see if it won't get stuck. See there? That is such an annoying thing. I didn't do anything. It went up and then it stopped. You could hear the motor kind of churn like it was working overtime or something. Then you know, the only way to do it, to get it up, if you're in your car, you take your